free entrance because they're practicing for the season.
Okay.
Preseason last year,
Oh.
and they give away that baseball hat, keychain.
For free?
Yeah, for the kids. It's like a big bag of goodies.
For the kids. That's like was mine. That's okay. That's okay.
Okay, so what I did here, which is not captured on the recording, I'm just reiterating. Adding 2 columns. So from this SSN, we run a FSA recalc, and then close the event and check that 3563 equals what they're saying is actually the correct one. So recalc yes, and year to date is 144, which is from here on what 425. Okay, moving on. Now we're doing this next one.
So the next SSN, we're looking at what? The HCFSA benefit.
So this one is the HC. And they're saying this is correct and this is wrong. No. Wait, this is supposed to be what's correct. And this is wrong, right? So take that SSN and then what? What do you do on that?
Put it in Informaker.
Okay. Run that. And we're looking at 2014. So underneath HC. So this is the name. So they're saying the year to date is this.
760. Yep.
Just copy that.
Oh.
No.
Calculate that by phone. You have to calculate everything to make sure.
So what do you calculate then?
So basically, right, all the yeses, it means that they've received the deduction.
They receive all deductions,
Yep.
right?
So it looks like 9615, pretty straight through. I would say do it as of the 7th. Because usually, like, when I audit it, well, obviously, I'm the one who's been doing it. I'm very thorough. So I'm not going to go as far back as, like, 1, 2, and 3 and stuff like that. So I just do it as of the last 2. Because there's going to be a lot.
So you do this minus, no. You add it.
So basically, you would do this, all of them. So you're going to do this, 9615, plus this, plus that, plus that. So basically, since it's been 9615, and they've received the deduction 9 times, so you're just going to do 9615 times 9. So the year-to-date should be 865.35. So update that.
So 9615 times what? How many did you
9.
type? Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 9. So this should be what's
865.35.
okay.
Dot 35.
Okay.
All right.
So that's how you check it.
So what happened is Ceridian sent us the same year-to-date as the last one. So
Okay.
then save that.
We'll save that, and then
Copy that.
copy this, the new year to date, right?
Put it in the Excel.
So this is the new.
So it's 9616. That means that it doesn't need to be recalculated
Why?
because it's the same as the current one.
Even though it's just 1 cent off.
Yeah, if it's 1% off, that's fine. It doesn't need to be recalculated.
So yes.
That's a no. It doesn't need to be
Oh
recalculated.
yeah, that's right.
Because it's highlight this and highlight. Hold on. Scroll up. Highlight this. The employee cost. Highlight it. Oh, I hate that yellow. But that's fine. And then highlight that.
Okay.
Okay. So if they equal,
You don't have. It's a no.
it's a no. If they don't equal, then it's a yes.
Okay, so let's do the next one.
So the next one, it's a DCFSA that you're doing. Okay.
So the DC. So copy, plug it in your info maker.
Plug it in, plug it in.
And then we're looking at 2014. So we do
Here.
it's easier here than, you know what I mean? At least you don't move. What is it?
Whatever.
So 176, right? Copy. Times 10.
No.
No,
You know why? It's not gonna be times 10.
because 9 only.
176.92, right? Came out the first pay period. 192, not 92, came out the second pay period. So you cannot do, you know what I'm saying? Those two are different numbers.
Okay.
You get it, right?
So you start from here.
So the best thing to do was probably do, let's see,
Times
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8.
8. So do 192 times 8, and then add 176.92 to it.
So 192, cancel that. Times 8, right? And then plus whatever the first one is, which is 176.
92.
Will give you 1720, right?
17, 20, 28. Yeah, that's the year to date. No. Be careful. With this, you have to be like very careful.
Okay.
Save it.
So wait, let me recap it quick. So the reason why you didn't start here is different. The deduction is different. You only started from here, multiply it until here.
Yep.
And then add what was before, which is the first one. Okay.
You could have started from the top. You would have done like
Yeah.
add
plus,
two, yeah.
Okay. And that's how you get into 7.
Because I'm smart like that.
I know about it. So save it, right? I can save this.
And then just plug in the year to date on your Excel.
So that's the 9.
So what is it telling you now?
It's telling me the no.
Yep.
Right? If I go to the next one, let's see. I like it.
Are you in the next one?
Am I?
Are you?
Right?
Now you are. Before you weren't.
So 0. Okay, so this. Run. Okay.
Are you looking at HC or DC?
I'm guessing mix.
Sometimes it's both.
No way. So there's 2?
Yeah, because they have
These.
HC
So,
and
but they're
DC.
separate. They're gonna be separate rows.
Yeah, separate
Okay.
rows. Yeah.
Okay. So DC. So wait, so this is DC, but I don't see DC. Right?
Or up. Go up.
That's it, the bottom. So this is it? Whatever the last DC is? Oh, the beginning. So this is where you count it from? Starting from here. And they're all 1538, so I can just multiply this. 1538.
You have to look at the reconcile. As you can see from right here, nothing was reconciled, so no deductions were ever taken. The reconciliation didn't start until the 7th.
So 7. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here, which is 1, 2, 3 times 3. Violet. This is good. I like it. You
Even a
act-
baby monkey can do that.
yeah, you actually have to use your brain, your human brain here. I like it. For real, this is like real, real job. So times 3, right?
I'm sorry.
Okay. Okay, 46, 14.
Mhm.
So now change this one. Oh, it's already that. So it's
So copy that into the Excel.
46, 14. Alright,
It's
so
gonna have your recalc.
yeah, so it's a yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. Recalculating DW. Two, two, eight, eight, three, two, 254. Okay. And life events. So there's a very big one. Can I just close this and rerun another
What
one?
is this? 422. What the hell open that? 422.
Mhm.
Open that.
Huh?
Yeah, close it. Close it and then reopen another one.
Okay. Open a new
Open
one.
one for today.
Alright, and it says 2082. Is it the same? Yep. Right?
20. Yep.
2082.
Uh-huh.
Alright, and save this,
So
right?
usually too, when they're wrong like that, right? Okay, they had the HCFSA too, right? Yeah,
What do
they
you
did.
mean?
Go to
What is this?
no, it's not gonna. It's gonna. Yeah, you're gonna save it again.
Just say that
It's
the
gonna.
same.
Yep.
It's just gonna different format.
Mhm. Usually, what I do is when you see that they have HC and DC for the year,
Where
I
do you
always
see that?
usually it tells you on the spreadsheet if they have AC and DC.
But-
But in the event that it doesn't,
Mm-hmm.
I always kind of like check in Informator too,
Okay.
especially if I'm going to be recalculating their benefits
Mm-hmm.
and they have another, FSA.
Mm-hmm.
I want to make sure that the other one is fine as well.
Okay.
Okay.
So I can continue this tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the majority of it. I'll leave like 5 for you.
This
And-
one, right?
Yeah, I'll leave like 5. I'll leave
Yeah.
like the last 5 for you, and we
Mhm.
can do that together. Only because
That's right.
time constraint, and I have to let Goss know so that they can run payroll.
So what else needs to be done after this is done? What's the next step?
That's it. Once this is done, that's it.
For the phase 1.
For the phase 2. Phase 1 we're done already. Phase 1 is the reconciliation. Once they balance 0-0 and you do the cent job.
Oh,
it's
the
done.
0-0 and
Yeah.
the send. Which is the send?
You know the query that we ran to update all the tables.
Oh, and it's
Send, yeah.
all the tables
So-
is gone.
Correct. This is the
Okay.
phase 2, which is just the FSA audit.
Okay.
So once that's done,
What do you say to do, Gus, after this?
they're gonna ask if they can run the payroll.
And they can.
We can either say yes or hold off.
Okay, and once we say yes, that's it.
Yeah,
They
I
just
think
run it,
Yeah, they just run
and
it.
that's the end.
Yeah, they just run it.
Okay.
They'll say, yeah, I made a payroll file.
That concludes it.